Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Don Bell compilation because why not? If I'm not mistaken, ito ata yung sa anak TV nila kasi kanina si Donnie nakita ko talaga and si Bel Mariano habang gumagawa ako ng Barda compilation. So I won't say it longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano naman to? Ay taray, na para bang? Na para bang? Oh, ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ang ganda ni Belle. Sabi siguro ni Donnie dito, ang ganda mo naman ngayong Belinda. Charis! Ang ganda ng pagkakatingin ni Donnie dyan sa dress ni Belle, no? Actually, si Belle talaga, prim and proper talaga siya. Kahit sabihin mong may mga nakikitang skin sa suot niya, very decent pa din talaga siya tingnan. Actually, it's very expensive, should I say. Anyways. Okay. Okay. That is love talaga. Charis! Oh my God! Ang daming ayuda! Okay. Ang gwapo ni Donnie, no? Pag seryoso talaga yung itsura ni Donnie, si Belle, tinan mo yung itsura ni Belle dyan, ang ganda. Na parang bang nag-a-attend sa misa ang dalawang magjowa. Na parang bang umattend sa misa ang magjowa. Totoo ba? Di ba, Mi? Aminin ninyo, parang nag-a-attend sila sa misa. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay, ano to? Oh my God, the speech of Donnie Pangilinan. Wait. Quiet.
Pagkukulang ng ating gobyerno sa lahat ng corruption.
Ay,
Know that there is still hope because nandito po ang kabataan natin. You are loved,
you are
you are
loved.
valued, and you will always be enough. Maraming salamat po.
Please know that you are seen, you are valued, and you will always be enough.
Gonna inspire the younger generation.
Naalala ko yan. Naalala ko yung umiyak ako during the time. Ang ganda ng speech nila. So, can we just repeat that? Kasi ang ganda ng...
Po ng pagkukulang ng ating gobyerno sa lahat ng corruption. Know that there is still hope because nandito po ang kabataan natin. You are loved, you are valued, and you will always be enough. Maraming salamat po.
Please know that you are seen, you are valued, and you will always be enough.
I'm gonna inspire the younger generation that I can set a good example because children are really close to my heart.
Grabe yung boses ni Belle dito. Ay, na para bang ma at pa ang tawagan. The sweetest Don Bell, anak TV Seal 2025. Ang ganda ni Belle. Ay, yes, napaalap si Donnie doon. Ang ganda ni Belle. Ay, grabe si Donnie. In love talaga siya pag tumitig. Pag tumitig talaga siya kay Belle, in love siya. Di ba, Mi? I don't know kung sa... O, di ba? Tingnan mo. Eyes don't lie. Di ba? Eyes don't lie. Tingnan mo, tsaka the way talaga siya tumitig kay Belle, nakasmile siya. Every time. Very consistent talaga dito si Donnie pag ganito. Gusto ko makita nagtatampuhan sila. Paano kaya sila magtatampuhan? Tapos si Belle, binibaby niya si Donnie, no? Ay, si Donnie kasi, di ba, yung aura ni Donnie, prim and proper and very suplado. I mean, the aura, ha? Not the personality. Kasi akala ko talaga before, suplado siya. Kasi yung aura niya, suplado. But nang nakilala ko na si Donnie, mabait pala siya and full of substance. It's just that yung aura niya lang talaga, yung tipong manly, lalaking-lalaki, prim and proper. Diba? So, yun lang yung thoughts ko sa kanya. So, kung magtampuhan kaya sila, paano kaya siya binibaby? Sa totoo lang, paano kaya siya binibaby for today's video? Okay. Di ba? Parang bang sila lang talaga ang tao sa venue. Wala silang pakisalikot. Mami, di ba pwedeng lumingon man lang kayo tapos kausapin niyo muna? Hindi yung tipong dalawa kayo nakaganon talaga. Tapos the height difference pa pati. Ang tangkad ni Donnie. Di ba? Ay, hindi ba sila sabay? Bakit sila nag-kiss dyan? Ay, to. Full ang full na special. Si David.
I'm very humbled and glad to finally receive in person. This previously, wala po. Maraming salamat po for this recognition once again. I grew up in a household where we only had 30 minutes of screen time every day as a child. And they were very strict with that. And I finally understood why. They really forced us to play outdoors and really make most of the world we live in. And today, I can only imagine how it must be as a child to have everything in the palm of your hands.
Grabe yung depth ng salita ni Donnie, no? Kahit sabihin mo wala akong maintindihan kasi English. Charis. Pero sa tono ng boses niya, parang mapipil mo talaga. The depth.
So, I think it's very important that we tell the youth that they are the next voice, the next generation. Sa lahat po ng kadiliman, sa lahat po ng pagkukulang ng ating gobyerno, sa lahat ng corruption, sa lahat po ng kalamitan, we must always know that there is still hope because nandito po ang kabataan natin. Nandito po ang next generation. Kaya maraming salamat. Isang malaking blessing po ito. And this whole establishment means so much to the Philippines. So, I just want to say to the youth, check up on your friends, please. You never know what people are going through. And
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang pakinggan yung sinasabi ni Donnie. Yeah, ito.
your value
Si
and
David.
you will always be enough.
I love that. I love that. Yung speech naman ni Belle, ito na. Ito yung speech ni Belle. Speech ni Belle. Ay, si Barbie pala. Sila pala magkakasabay ni na Barbie. Congrats, Don Belle. Deserve.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Una, thank you, Anak TV, for this recognition. I'm truly humbled. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually a tandem for younger children, and children are really close to my heart. So I will continue to do my best to show everyone that I'm gonna inspire the younger generation, that I can set a good example. Because children are really close to my heart, and yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Congratulations, Belle.
Yung tono kasi talaga ng boses niya. Yeah, ay, Diyos ko po, magka-holding hands pala. Diyos ko po, magka-holding hands. Diyos ko po, hindi ko napansin.
Dali!
Diyos ko po, magka-holding hands sila, mami. Diyos ko po. Anyways, that is our for today's video from Don Belle. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!